What's up guys, thanks for tuning into the channel. So today's video, we're going to be looking at the ACS Composite engine overlay pieces that you can get for your C8 Corvette. This is episode 2 of 2 in regards to our upgrades for the engine bay. And this piece in particular, I'm really excited to show you guys. So this is ACS's overlay pieces that come in it's a 3-piece that sits on top of your engine bay area to give it a nice, fresh, upgraded look. Now, what makes these pieces special is that they are overlay pieces that you can get in any kind of color that you want to either match your C8 Corvette exactly on the outside, or even just do accent pieces that are gonna really make it stand out too. They're completely removable. They don't attach using double-sided tape or anything like that. They are form-fitted so that they sit there, they're not gonna go anywhere, and they really transform what that engine bay is gonna look like. They're made from PC composite material, which is 3 times stronger than ABS. So this is not your typical flimsy kind of plastic material. This is good stuff in regards to putting it in your car. This is gonna last a while and the finish is gonna be fantastic. But don't let me just tell you, let's go and check out what this looks like. Now for me, I got the matching Sebring orange color to match my exterior. So I'm gonna try to see if I can unwrap this while holding the camera, which I'm probably going to fail at a little bit. And this table's a little bit on the smaller side for some of these big pieces. But let's see, and taking it out of the bag. Oh, okay, there we go. Come on. Alrighty, and look at that. Oh man, so this is great stuff. This is exactly matching my Sebring orange color. I mean, I'm gonna take this out into the sunlight. I mean, check it out, guys. I mean, this looks exactly like my Sebring orange. So they do an awesome job of exactly color matching this piece. Now, again, like I said before, these pieces you can get them in a primer color, and you can get them in some standard colors, and then you can get them in any custom color. So let me go and unwrap these other 2 pieces and have them on the table, and then we'll talk a little bit more about that. Alrighty guys, so we have these pieces out of the bags, and I took the box out of the way so it was just more room. But again, looking at these pieces, I mean, these pieces look awesome in regards to an awesome finish and exactly matching my car. So I'm really excited to put these on the car. So the base set, which is these 3 pieces here, starts for $1,299, and that's in the primer setting, and that's in the primer setup. So it just has the primer on it, so you can custom color it to whatever color you want at your local paint shop and such. They do the custom colors, which honestly I recommend doing that, and it really sets this off. And you can get any custom color you want, whether it's a color that will match exactly your OEM colors, or just a color that you choose. And that custom color goes for $1,699, which is on the more expensive side, but you're definitely getting a quality show finish for like car shows and stuff like that. That is what you're looking at right here. This is show car quality type material here. So and you can even get it in things like the carbon flash for, I think it's an extra $100. I'll have it listed up and showing, so you can check it out. Also, I will have links to in the description so you can check it out as well. Now, these pieces are set up that they can fit either a mag ride or non-mag ride C8 Corvette. So the non-mag ride C8 Corvettes are going to have this piece basically covered up, and then the mag rides are going to have this hole right here so that you're able to go and install it with the mag ride. And the install is again very easy to do on this. It literally will take you like 5-10 minutes, not even, and we'll show you exactly how that looks coming up. And on top of that, you can get the engine panel painted as well. They do have that option as a kit or separately, and you can get it in any color that you want as well, also. So honestly, I really do like how that looks with the extra engine accessories. So I might actually get that myself, and just switch out the carbon fiber ones that I have there, because they're kind of old, they're yellowing, but we'll see once I put it all together and kind of go from there. So with that being said, it's time to get these on the car and really show you how it looks in there, because that's what's important. Alrighty guys, so we have finished installing these ACS engine overlays and they look freaking fantastic. So the color exactly matches my Sebring orange, which I'm really happy about. It gives it a very finished look, and the fitment in general, I really like it. And it's also super easy to install, and it's removable. You don't have like any kind of double-sided tape holding it down or anything like that. So it is one of those things that it's super easy to install from your home. And if you need to do any kind of service where you need to take those out, it's very easy to do as well. Now, in combination with the other mods that I've done in regards to redoing the engine cover, I think it actually looks good. It gives it like a copper bronze to orange kind of look, which actually kind of matches my wheels as well, at least for my particular C8. So I think it looks really good. I think it's growing on me more and more. But in general, I might change it up a little bit. Now, I do wish that ACS, and I'm kind of hinting to them already about it, I do wish that they can come up with an extra piece that goes into this little section right here, because it looks really good all around here. And then you got this little black section right here. So I'm actually kind of hoping that ACS comes up with something in regards to that, because then you get a really full look in regards to all of that kind of gorgeous orange going through here, or any color if you have a different color C8 or whatnot. So I'm kind of hinting that. I'm not saying that they're doing anything like that. It would just be kind of nice. So I might try to personally try to do something in regards to that black area there, so it kind of completes the look a little bit better. And in general, I mean, my engine vent covers, they have that yellow carbon fiber tint because they've just, from the heat and stuff like that, they've kind of yellowed, which works in this case. But in the end, I might actually also change those out as well. But let me know what you think in the comments. I think this looks great so far, but I might do a few more updates as time goes on. I will say, while the fitment and stuff in regards to like the edges and stuff like that are really good, I do wish a little bit that there was a little bit better fitment in regards to like, there's like a little bit of a gap over here in regards to like where the in regards to where like the coolant and such are. I mean, you can see there's a bit of a gap here. I mean, it's not astronomically out of this world bad or anything like that. It's just kind of like, I like for it to be a little bit more flush. But I mean, for something that is just like sitting there, it's secure and it can be easily removed, I mean, I'm willing to live with that. But in regards to the other, like in regards to the rest of these pieces, like fitting over one on top of each other, they do a pretty good job. I mean, you have a little bit of a part right here where it kind of overlays and fits and stuff, and it could be probably a little bit better, but I mean, for what you're getting, this is a really nice piece. So yeah, so I think we're gonna do a few more different kinds of appearance mods to the engine bay, but at least for now, this is a quick and easy setup that anybody can freaking do from home, and it looks great. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please check out any of my other videos, and we'll see you next time.